In today's video, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two impressive dash cameras. On one side, we have the 1080p dash cam front and rear, offering a comprehensive recording experience with its 3-channel setup. On the other side, we have the 2.5K QHD dual dash camera, which promises superior video quality and advanced night vision capabilities. Let's explore how these two contenders stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to video quality, the 2.5K QHD dual dash camera clearly takes the lead with its higher resolution, providing sharper and more detailed footage compared to the standard 1080p offered by the first product. This enhanced clarity is particularly beneficial for capturing important details during incidents. In terms of night vision capabilities, the 2.5K QHD camera boasts super night vision technology, which significantly improves visibility in low-light conditions. This feature is crucial for capturing clear footage during nighttime driving, making it a more reliable option for users concerned about safety. Both dash cameras come with included storage, but the 2.5K QHD model offers a larger 64GB card compared to the 32GB card of the 1080p model. This means more recording time and less frequent overwriting of footage, which is a significant advantage for users who want to ensure they capture all important moments. In conclusion, both dash cameras offer unique features tailored to different user needs. The 1080p model is a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers, while the 2.5K QHD camera provides superior video quality and night vision capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for those prioritizing safety and clarity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.